Well, hello, this is Professor Lewis with the Week 8 and the final segment of Introduction to Public Safety Administration. I hope that you enjoyed this semester and you certainly got some great information from either the work that you've done or the work that others have done, the discussions that have been in the forums. Certainly, this is just an introductory class, but certainly, hopefully, you got a lot of good information that'll help you in your personal and professional careers as you go along. So. This week's assignments are pretty simple. The final exam is yours to complete, and reminder that it must be posted by Sunday night midnight, March 4th, the end of the semester. I cannot accept it any later. I do have 72 hours that I have to submit grades, so it's very important that all of those get submitted on time. So please make sure you do that. This week I'll be going through your executive brief assignments and grading those so that we have those grades all caught up. And then next week, of course, I'll be looking at the final exams. Final exam consists of 3 essay questions. You have to write a response to all 3, and that's 500 to 800 words for each one of those, and complete those individually, separate sheets of paper. I'll put them all in one file with your word processor, but obviously have page breaks between them, so I kind of there. Make sure you got the spacing in there so it's a little bit easier to read. And certainly helps me out. We got 2 discussion topics for this week for the participation credit. One is just to simply tell everybody how you're going to apply what you learned from this semester, you know. And then the second one is just some feedback to me, the good, the bad, and the ugly of the course. Kind of, I value your input and what you enjoyed from the class, what you might not have enjoyed from the class, especially looking for some feedback on these video segments. It's something new I tried this semester based on feedback from previous students, and I just would like to hear how that's done from you. I know I put something out midway through the semester, kind of asking whether folks were using those and whether they are. I kind of look at YouTube, how many views they got, and I know not all of you are viewing them, so. Um, but those that did have viewed it thought that they were very good. So uh, I wish you all luck. Uh, I enjoyed the semester and enjoyed the discussions in there, and I hope you enjoyed the discussions in the forum as well as the stuff that you had to read, learn, and hopefully the 2 papers that you wrote will contribute to your personal and professional careers as well. I think it's very good to kind of know how to do research on a topic, learn about new topics, and then the second one, the executive briefs. You're going to be called upon sometime during your career to write those short 2 or 3 page papers for a senior policymaker, and it's important that you kind of understand how do you keep it concise. What is the problem? What is my recommended solution? And how do we go about implementing it? So, again, my thanks to each and every one of you for a great semester. I wish you luck, and we'll see you somewhere else around the campus. So this is Professor Lewis signing off.